Hey there, folks. Are you in the market for a stunning new villa in California? Well, you're in luck because we've got something special to share with you today. Get ready to discover the ultimate in customizable living spaces with Villa, your go-to prefab ADU builder. In this video, we'll dive into the amazing services and process offered by Villa, so you can see why they are the top choice for homeowners in California. Let's jump right in. When it comes to creating your dream home, Villa knows that flexibility is key. That's why they offer customizable floor plans that can be tailored to your unique needs and preferences. With their wide range of options, you can design a home that truly reflects your personal style. But it's not just about the design. Villa takes care of the entire process from start to finish. They offer a full service experience, ensuring that every step of the way is hassle-free for you. No need to stress about permits or construction. They've got it handled. Speaking of pricing, Villa believes in transparency. They offer clear and upfront pricing, so you can rest easy knowing exactly what you're getting into. Now, let's talk about the incredible range of services that Villa offers. They don't just build homes, they create living spaces that are tailored to your lifestyle. Need help with the design? Villa has got a team of talented architects and designers ready to bring your vision to life. Worried about feasibility? They'll conduct a thorough study to ensure that your dream home can become a reality. If you're curious about what Villa has to offer, you'll be thrilled to know that they have featured projects for you to explore. Get inspired by their previous works and see the quality and craftsmanship that Villa is known for. And if that's not enough, you even have the option to tour one of their stunning model homes. And there you have it, folks, an inside look into the incredible services and process offered by Villa, your trusted prefab ADU builder in California. With Villa, you can have the home of your dreams, designed exactly the way you want it. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to Villa today and start building the home you've always dreamed of.